Our mental body is seemingly predictable. We think that if we plan out every detail, check off everything on our to-do list, then our life will be grounded and secure. But that's all fantasy. This very moment is completely unique, and the next moment will not be the same as the one we're in now. Meditation teaches us how to relate directly to life, deepening our capacity to observe. This meditation is designed to feel with all 5 senses, designing our state of being. Find the length of your spine as you lift the chest. And take a few breaths here, breathing with the lips closed, eyes closed, creating some space for yourself. Let the torso rise. Release the neck, soften the jaw. Sense your seat and allow yourself to feel grounded here. And then letting that feeling travel through your entire body. Emptying one breath at a time. Feel the space all around you. Space beneath you, space above you, space in front of you, space behind you, space to the left, space to the right. Listen to the sounds carried within space. Sense of ears open in all directions. Listening to the sound of your own breathing. Feel the skin breathing, the skin expanding and condensing. Empty one breath at a time. The mouth, soft jaws, root of the tongue, decompressing, full of ease. The air filters that are your nostrils, the way the clean and clear and warm air, empty, one breath at a time. Feel the eyes, full of ease, effortlessness, peace, heavy eyes, heavy eyelids. Breathe into the eyeballs. Feel the eyes being bathed by the breath. Empty, one breath at a time. Embrace each of your senses. Seeing as being touched by the light. Hearing the ocean in the immersion of the sound. Taste as enlightenment. Smelling as knowing. Touching as electrifying. Follow the subtle pulsations into the spaciousness of your heart. Get intimate with the unknown. Savor the feelings of your sensations. Feeling your own presence in the here and now. And welcome yourself back into your body. The wholeness of your body. And closing your sitting with a little prayer. And choosing a thought to activate the kindness in your awareness. Placing your hands on your chest, Namaste.